In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find WordPress admin login URL. If you're trying to access your WordPress dashboard and aren't sure where to sign in, there are two standard addresses that work on most sites. I'll walk you through both, explain what you should see, and share a few quick tips so you can get back to managing your website with confidence. First, take your website's main address and add -wp admin to the end. For example, type your domain.com/wp-admin into your browser's address bar and press enter. If you're already logged in, this will open your dashboard immediately. If you're not logged in yet, WordPress will automatically redirect you to the login screen. Once you enter your username and password and sign in, you'll land in the dashboard. A couple of notes here. Use the same domain your site uses. If your site loads with HTTPS or with www, keep that in the address. And if WordPress is installed in a subdirectory or on a subdomain, include that too. So it would look like yourdomain.com/blog/-admin or blog.yourdomain.com/wp-admin. That small detail matters because WordPress lives exactly where it was installed. The second option points straight to the login form. In your browser, enter your site's address followed by wplogin.php. For example, your domain.com/wp-login.php. This is the actual login page file. When you're not logged in, -wp admin usually sends you here anyway, so using either address is fine. After you log in successfully, you'll be taken to the dashboard. If neither of those addresses works and you see a 404 page or get redirected somewhere unexpected, your site may be using a security plugin that changes the login URL. In that case, check your documentation or contact your hosting provider or developer for the custom login address. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Bookmark your working login URL so you don't have to memorize it. Make sure you see the secure lock icon in your browser before entering credentials. And once you reach the login page, you can use the Lost Your Password link if you need to reset access. That's it. To recap, use your site URL plus wp admin or go directly to -wplogin.php. Try these on the correct domain or subdirectory, and you'll be in your WordPress admin in no time.